8 rules to make money online. Number 1. Online businesses still take work. If a business is going to be profitable, it can't be a temporary endeavor. It's important for websites to generate revenue, but that's not the only way. Ultimately, businesses will only make money if they are successful and help someone solve a problem. Number 2. Know your customers. It can be hard to make a living online without knowing what your customers need. It's important for the success of your business to focus on making customers happy, providing a good service or product, and making a profit. You should make it clear about what you offer, how it will benefit someone, and make their life or business better. If you don't know who your customer base is, you might attract people that don't really have an interest in what your business offers. Number 3. Determine your niche. Ask yourself the following questions before deciding on a niche. Research potential niches for your product or service, and ask yourself these questions. How much money are people already spending on products and services in that niche? Is it growing, declining, or steady? What sets you apart from others? Does it match your unique abilities and strengths? Would people pay you for the answers you give them? Number 4. Monetize your business. Monetization refers to the process of making money from your website or other digital assets. It doesn't always mean selling products or services, but instead generating revenue through your website, blog, or other types of revenue. Your website, app, or social media is the ideal place to market products and services, and there are countless ways to do so. Monetize your business through your website, blog, social media, partnership deals, display ads, email marketing, and referrals. Number 5. Time is money. It's important to be aware of what activities you spend your time on, what you're good at, and what responsibilities you should hire someone for or outsource. Number 6. You need SEO. Online marketers need linguistic skills, marketing skills, and expertise in order to be successful. It's important to do some marketing for your blog, ebooks, courses, or videos if you want to be successful. Marketing outside of your business is crucial to getting noticed by potential customers. Number 7. Protect yourself. You should take legal measures to protect your business from any kind of issues. You should always be aware of the legal aspects of your business. The first thing that you should do is trademark your company name and logo. You can also register a domain name for your company and make sure that it's registered with the right person who will manage it if something happens to you. Number 8. To start a business, you need money, time, skills, and resources. Making money online can take up a lot of time and demands various skills. Much like in any other environment, financial resources are also needed to get you up and running. How much depends on the type of business and what you are looking to do yourself or hire other people to do. While there are some tools that you can get for free, you may need to invest in the necessary hardware and software. If you got some value from this video, please like, subscribe, and comment below.